Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix brand loyalty with Coca-Cola, complete guide step by step clearly. To fix brand loyalty with Coca-Cola, start by analyzing current consumer sentiments. Gather data from surveys and social media to understand customer perceptions. Identify the key factors that have led to declining loyalty. Investigate whether product quality, marketing strategies, or competition play a role. Next, engage with your audience through various platforms. Host focus groups to gather in-depth feedback on consumer experiences. Encourage open discussions about what consumers love and dislike about the brand. Utilize this feedback to refine your product offerings. Consider launching new flavors or limited editions to entice consumers. Revisit advertising strategies to resonate more deeply with your target audience. Incorporate emotional storytelling in your campaigns to strengthen connections. Highlight Coca-Cola's heritage and values that resonate with consumers. Enhance customer experience at points of sale. Train staff to deliver exceptional service where Coca-Cola products are sold. Create immersive experiences through events and sponsorships that engage fans. Leverage social media to create community around Coca-Cola's brand. Share user-generated content to foster a sense of belonging. Monitor the effectiveness of new strategies regularly. Adjust your approach based on ongoing feedback and industry trends. Reinforce brand loyalty through loyalty programs offering exclusive rewards. Make sure these rewards align with consumer preferences and lifestyles. Maintain transparency about changes and updates with your audience. Continue to evolve by remaining agile in response to market demands. Lastly, track your progress with KPIs focused on brand loyalty metrics. Use this data to refine strategies continuously and ensure lasting loyalty. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.